guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful, amazing day today and you're getting a fresh start to the holiday season. Today I decided to do a collab with some other creators. I'm the host of this collab, and what we're doing is some cozy winter ideas in your house. Maybe it's a little book nook, maybe it's your mantle, maybe it's a side table, maybe it's your dining room table. Could be anything, but I invited a few creators to showcase some areas of their house. So to help me out today, I invited a few content creators, and I really ask that you go and check out their videos as well. They're going to be really good, and they're not going to be very long. We're just trying to get you inspired for the winter cold holiday season. A lot of different ideas out there, so please go check them out. We have Gigi from Gigi's Craft Addict and Halls. We have Miss Cheryl, Miss Mama Tamale from Cheryl for Peace. We have Jill over at Spirit Sweet Pea. We have Miss Jody from Jody's Cozy Cottage. I'm sure she's got something cozy going on over there. And we all, last but certainly not least, is one of my very good friends, Faith, over at Faith's Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. Miss Faith has really good taste. We are very much alike. I can't wait to see what everybody creates. So I'm just really excited to get going. So I thought what I would do today is my mantle. I usually start out the season after Thanksgiving with some just wintry scene, and then usually towards Christmas I'll switch over into a more religious scene with mangers and things like that. I change my mind every year with my decor. It never fails. Last year I did a lot of red and green, or with some white. This year I was thinking about going with some champagne colors, but of course I changed my mind yet again. And so this year I feel like I'm going to go with like some tree colors, greens, different shades of greens, maybe some white, maybe some cream, and I'll show you how I'm going to incorporate that. Everything in this video, I think one, maybe two of the things I paid full price. Everything else was either from Temu, or I got at a thrift shop, or something that I had when I had my antique booth, because I had an antique booth and I had a lot of Christmas stuff and holiday stuff because I sold decor in there. So yeah, I think what we'll do is I'll show you what I have. I'll show you the space we're going to work in today. And let's just kind of try and make it kind of cozy here. All right, guys, stay tuned. Let's get this started. Everyone, so this is kind of the area I am working with right now. As you can see, I've put some old books up here to create some levels. I have an old milk glass lamp, and then I have this garland right here from Temu, and I stuck some pics in it from Hobby Lobby just to kind of create some dimension to it. And then I have a couple of things at this end I'm just going to leave up, but this is the area we are going to set up. So these birch lights are from Temu. I'm going to be using some snowmen, and all of these glass trees were from my antique shop, and I just have a little wreath in case I wanted to use it. But most of this is glass trees and snowmen. And so we're going to be using those, and we'll see what we can create. So the first thing I did was put this birch lighting up here. I wanted it to kind of wrap around the trees, show you how I'm going to set up the trees. So we're just going to kind of place them where we think they might look good. I'm trying to get some white, some green, some white, some green. And then I kind of want those birch lights, which luckily they ended up being a warm color. I was thinking they would probably be more of a bright white, but they weren't. They actually are a warm shade. So I'm just kind of putting the lights to kind of wrap around the trees. I'm hoping that the light kind of captures, into the trees, so it looks like the trees are kind of lit up from behind. And I'm just placing my trees where I want them here. And again, these are all glass, so I'm kind of trying to be careful. And I like the way that these are looking with the garland, because there's different varying colors of green and different varying colors. Just it just really looks kind of nice together. So I'm just trying to place them where I think they might look good. And then hopefully when I turn the light on, it will look like they're lit up from behind. So if they don't look right, I kind of just go back in and pull one off and put one back up again. And then I just kind of go from there. So this is what it's looking like. And then I decided to put a little snowman on the end right here, so I thought that looked cute. And here we are on this side. This side is done on this end. So here's a better look at this end. There's a lot of different varying textures and colors. So what I think I might do is, if you can see that little bit of an end to my mantle, I think I might put a bow right there, right underneath the snowman. So here's a better look of that end. And if you guys ever get on YouTube, you'll see that snow falling. You can look those up on YouTube. Just look up snow falling or snowscapes or something. But here's the other end, and there's a candle warmer I got from Amazon. But I just went ahead and put this end together, just did the same thing, put varying levels of the trees. And so there it all is together. I think it looks pretty good. I like the different colors. And then I also want to point out, I got these pillowcases from Amazon. They kind of matched. This one says Hello Winter, but it's a little bit jacked up. But here's different trees that I brought into the couch area that matched the mantle. Okay, you guys, we are going to shut my blinds and turn the lights on and see how we did. Okay, get ready. 1, 2. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you liked what I did with the glass Christmas trees and the snowmen. I can't wait to see what everybody else put together. I will link everybody's channels below in the description box, and I will try and make a playlist so you can easily go from one video to the next. Please like and subscribe over there and leave them a comment. And again, I will list all the channels below. And thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this Decor collab, and have a good day. Bye.